We don't chase, we don't run.
We are one.
Silence breeze, footprints heavy in the falling leaves. Eyes in the dark but they don't show hate. Just a lost soul trying to navigate. They scream your name like a warning sign, but he been here way before our time. Not a beast, not what they say. He just learned how to stay away. Don't run, don't fear what you don't know. Every shadow got a soul. He don't speak but before his nose. Every path that he chose. I seen a shadow in the pines, don't run away. Big steps echo, but he don't wanna stay. They call him monster, but he just want peace. King of the forest where the wild things breathe. Oh, he don't belong in your world. Oh, hidden away from the noise. Last of a story living in silence, avoiding the void. Moving the night, yeah, the ground gon' shake. They don't understand every step we take. Flash of a cam, now they chasing cloud. Oh, but he disappear when the lights go out. Top low, world too loud for him. Too many eyes tryna crowd him in. Everything real need proof to exist. Some legends live in the mist like this. Oh, we run with the night. I seen a shallow in the pines, don't run away. Big steps echo, but he don't wanna stay. They call him monster, but he just want peace. King of the forest where the wild things breathe. Oh, feel it under your feet. Heartbeat with the trees. He was never the enemy, just something the world couldn't see. Respect the wild, or it disappear.